Going on, action figure fans? Centex Collector here with a review of some Valaverse Action Force stuff. First off, we have the Desert Warfare Republic Guard female. Got this from a mystery box with a few other figures. Some I've already reviewed, so I'm just going to go over the stuff I haven't reviewed before. She got your action point here. Keep these if you collect Action Force, because the last one we had was Covert Ops Condor, which I think was like 25 action points. Now you can actually buy them without points, but before you need like 25 points plus some money. So this is the female figure. Funny enough, I had her pack, but I ended up just foddering it out. Typical, we have our stand, which I'll end up putting up on my store because I don't use those stands at all. And open up these baggies real quick. So you got alternate head sculpt, and then it's funny they give you alternate head sculpt, not the alternate hands. I guess maybe that's in the extra pack, but they give you all these extra hands. So you got 3 extra set of hands. You got a closed fist set here, another set that's like in a smacking motion or something, and then another set that's kind of like hand grip hands. So she's not a bad little figure. Kind of stinks that I bought that kit and sold it all off. I might have to buy another one now. This is actually a pretty good little figure. But here's the female figure. And then, oh, it had a little weapon here. It looks chintzy. Little Uzi submachine gun looking weapon. So that's that for her. Probably end up keeping her because I do have quite a bit of Action Force. I just haven't been buying any of the female figures. And also in the mystery box was this Arctic Sniper gear pack, which I actually have the Arctic Trooper. So we have here some instructions. Yes, there's the instructions of how to use this little ghillie suit here, which I'll probably just end up throwing up on my eBay store. And this I was more interested in probably keeping. This seems a little excessive compared to Lowlight's bag. So we have this removable. I'm so confused on what's going on right here. There's the bipod. That bipod swappable. And you have this scope. And this looks real cheap too. And then this like huge to carry compared to Lowlight's sniper rifle thing. But yeah, there we go. There's that for the sniper. I don't know if I'm gonna keep that either. And then I got a regular ghillie suit, which just looks better than what we got with the 60th anniversary sniper. Maybe. Yeah, because the 60th was like shedding all over the place. Looks like You saw the instructions. There's the arms. So put the arms there, legs there. So it looks better than Hasbro's attempt at a ghillie suit. I'll probably keep that. And then lastly, I got this weapons pack, Foxtrot. I always love Action Force weapons packs. It just gives me a bunch of extra weapons. Let's go ahead and I'll rip all these open real quick. Alright, so here's all that came out of there. So we got a bunch of blast effects. Love some blast effects. So got a bunch of these blast effects and this big one here. And then this rifle, which actually included three mags. It's a pretty cool little rifle. One thing with theirs is real plasticky, so they don't really bend too well. If you bend them too much, this thing's gonna break. It's definitely more plastic than Hasbro G.I. Joe classified stuff. Got this big old. I was wondering where the mag was for this, or what this was. Looks like it's a mag for this. Yeah. So we got this big old like sniper rifle with two different bipods. If you want to use this one or that one. So, but a heavy duty sniper rifle like this, you said big old, you're talking about probably like 50 cal or something. This is hitting tanks type sniper rifle there. And then we got like this little shotgun looking type. And this one came with kind of like a AK without the stock. But it came with three mags. Yeah, I recently 3D printed something similar to this. I forget what it's called, like a Chris maybe. Bright old color. And then we got like a little Uzi submachine gun looking one here. And then like a machete. And then pistol. Looks like pistol that had already been fired. Like that one and that one. Oh, these pistols look weird. Like there's that one. I just feel like the slide is back, like it had been fired. And this one looks like a big old Desert Eagle. I don't know why it's open there. And that one looks like the slide is back too. But anyway, got some little pistols. But yeah, just a quick review of some of the Action Force stuff I got in the mystery box. First time I've ever ordered a mystery box before. But yeah, Valaverse is making some cool stuff. Go check them out, valaverse.com. Like, comment, subscribe. JJ out.